Well, dear viewers, take a look at these. Beautiful Chinese marinated ribs. Courtesy of the butcher in Timperley Village, i.e. Treadgold's. Great place to get all your sausages and stuff. I wish I visited there more, to be honest. And he's been moaning for his food as well. So, growing kittens, eh, Rizzo? Yes? Can you smile for the camera? Rizzo? Too much info on his... too much focus on his food, I expect. Anyway, we just need this to go with it. Just a sec. A frozen garlic bread. In she goes. These all cook at roughly the same time, you see. So, look at that. Delicious. In she goes. Now all I had to do was set the timer. Yeah, I'll watch my kitten stuff his face. Okay, I will see you in the next one. Hello.